Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we have another Suzuki Jimny. Now this Suzuki Jimny is in the very lime green colour. It is in as new condition with just 10 miles on the clock. And in today's video I'm going to show you all around this lovely 4x4 so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. This Suzuki Jimny has the 1.5 litre petrol engine with an automatic gearbox, and with that you get a fuel economy of around 41 miles to the gallon. It has 101 brake horsepower, it's an insurance group 33E, and tax is £230 for the year. Now this car is in as new condition. It has covered just 10 miles. So we're going to take a walk around just to have a look at the car really, because there isn't any damage to report due to the age and mileage of it. So as always, we'll start off on the front bumper. Have a look at those headlights. It's all looking very nice and very tidy. There's the bonnet. Move on to the windscreen. Now these ones do come with the custom fitted roof rack, which I'll just show you there. Now on this driver's side here, we'll take a slow walk down the side here, just so you can get a good look at the car. Around the back here, Jimny Sierra, I'll show you that rear screen. There's your spare wheel. Suzuki, show you this side again. Again, there's your roof rack just there. Onto the passenger side. Again, I'll just show you these wheels. They're all immaculate, but just for you to look at. There we go. I'll say it's quite a unique colour, this Jimny. Very bright, very colourful, very cool. Right, so let's take a look inside. So we'll just open up the rear door here. And as you can see, there's the boot. So this boot's, obviously these seats, they're hard backed like the boot, so that if you did want more space, you can simply just plop them down like that, which gives you a lot more room. And then under here, you've also got this little bit of storage here too. 12-volt socket here in the back. Just opening up the front here. Again, all very new. I mean, the film is still on the stereo there, which does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But yeah, the dash is all looking good. Just show you some buttons here. You know, you've got your push start there. All you need is your key in your pocket. Some more buttons there. There's your indicator stalk. There's your wipers. Your cruise controls there on the steering wheel. And then here's your climate controls. Windows. There's your gear stick. There's your four-wheel drive selector. And here you have your heated seats and your handbrake. I'll just show you the seats too. Again, it's a brand new car, so these seats are not worn whatsoever. I'll just show you the back seats here too. Put that in one-time zoom, there we go. Again, they've both got ISOFIX. The key in my pocket, I'll put my foot on the brake. Just press the start button there. Now we'll just look at the dash here. Let that load up for a second. Right. As you can see, it's all started, running very smoothly. It says 9 miles on the odometer, and there's no warning lights on the dash. CarPlay, your USB port is just in here in the glove box. This car will come with a service and a 1-year warranty as standard. Now, if you like this car, you can secure the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do offer finance and delivery also. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. But thank you for watching.